It might be new to some, but I am going to refresh others. So, however, I want to give you the swing flag. This video was very encouraged because one of my friends asked me to bring forth one of the flags. She was like, I really would like to have one of these flags, and it's called one of those no ride flags. Well, I actually brought along with me a couple of other flags, which are these flags. These are different flags. They're beautiful. You can find all our flags on ID4C Etsy page. ID4C, which is I Dance for Christ with flags. You can find that on our Etsy page. You have the red and black one, which is our new flag that we just posted, and also the Holy Ghost, which is the black and white one, and also our prosperity flag. But getting back to the purpose of these no ride flags, yes, they are no rides, and they're designed for close fine spaces. They're made for close fine spaces. So when you're in the spirit and you don't have a lot of room, that would be a great reason. Another reason to use this flag would be for new beginners, young individuals, so young believers who are new to flagging and they're learning how to hold or control the flag. This is a great opportunity for them because this flag is very easy to use. This is two flags. We have two flags here. This is also our revival flag. It has all the blue in it, the white for prosperity, the turquoise for healing, and of course the blue is for revival. So let's go. So how you do this flag is it's actually designed this way. It has weights on one end of the flag to control the motion of the flag, and then you hold it in the center. So you just come down to the center, and our flags that you see on ID4C, they all come with a title where you can hold it, and it's like you hold the flag. So basically, I like to start off by holding mine as a tail, so that gives me leverage and control of what I'm doing. The lower the flag down to the closer to your body, the wider the flag gets. But we're gonna start a little bit tight on it so that we can actually illustrate correctly or teach and model in the correct form. So what you see me doing here is I'm swaying my body. But we have to remember, whichever way the flag goes, our head should go, because worship is the whole thing. Head, face, all is included, all is encompassed. So when we go side to side, we're moving our feet to the side to side. We can start in first position, but we're going to move our feet back and forth to the side. We're going to follow our flag gracefully. So this is our swing flag. I hope you really enjoy this. Oh, before we go, one more thing. I have another color in our swing flag, which is pink, our mother's love. It works very much the same way. Same way. It's kind of hard to control too with the wind blowing because we are outside, but I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we love you much. Thank you again for participating, and can't wait till you see more videos. We have more videos coming for you that's going to teach you really the language of flags, as well as how to utilize your flags and get more out of your experience. I pray that this video was awesome for you because it was awesome for me. And you have a great day. May God bless your day for the rest of the day.